Understanding caloric intake, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a vital concept in nutrition and health, caloric intake. This term is often used in discussions about diet, health, and lifestyle. Understanding what it means is crucial for making informed choices about what we eat. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of caloric intake. Caloric intake refers to the number of calories a person consumes through eating and drinking. Calories are a measure of energy, and they are essential for our bodies to function. Every activity, from breathing to exercising, requires energy, and this energy comes from the calories in our food. Understanding your caloric intake is vital for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Consuming too many calories can lead to weight gain and health issues, while consuming too few can lead to weight loss and nutritional deficiencies. Balancing your caloric intake with your body's energy needs is key to maintaining a healthy weight and overall health. To calculate your caloric intake, you need to keep track of the calories in the foods and drinks you consume. Most food products have a nutrition label that lists the number of calories. There are also various apps and tools available that can help you track your daily caloric intake. Remember, the ideal caloric intake varies from person to person, depending on factors like age, sex, weight, height, and activity level. Being aware of your caloric intake can help you make more informed food choices. Foods high in calories but low in nutritional value, often called empty calories, should be consumed in moderation. Instead, focus on foods that are not only calorie appropriate but also rich in nutrients: fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Understanding caloric intake is an important step towards a healthier lifestyle. By being aware of the calories in your food and balancing them with your body's needs, you can maintain a healthy weight and improve your overall health. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of calories, but also the quality of your food choices. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.